Hey man, you ever look into flat Earth?
I might not even have been recording.
Can you explain what you're doing? Like do it and explain at the same time?
It's all about parallel lines. Okay, two parallel lines will run side by side, right? They never meet, but perspectively, they look like they converge, right? So as we're looking down this tunnel, everything like pinches. The floor comes to the ceiling, and the ceiling comes to the floor to a point. And when you get to a certain point, you cannot see past that convergence line. Okay, so when we're looking at the sun going to the horizon, it appears to go over the curvature, right? That's what we were all taught, that the sun's going over the curvature, when all it is perspective. It's just getting pinched off at the horizon due to the convergence of the floor and the sky coming together. Which never touch in reality.
Right. Okay. And can you please do that thing once again so I can film your phone?
Sure. Let these people go by here. Also, I like to go side by side because the perspective goes this way too. See how the hallway kind of cuts off that side?
Yeah.
So if we go back to the center, when you're centered, everything comes to that point. And then when you go back to the other side, this wall actually converges to the other wall. And it works the same way with the floor. As you go to the floor, the floor looks like it converges into the ceiling. And then when you go back up to the ceiling looks like it converges into the floor.
Yeah.
And you see how that light, think of that light as the sun, right? Going further and further away. And one of the biggest things is the sun stays the same size, they say, right? Well, in a sense it does, but when you're looking at the atmospheric conditions, well, the water magnifies, right? So the more atmosphere we're looking through, the more magnification we get on a light source too, especially on a light source. The convergence and the vanishing point are what we are taught is the curvature of Earth. And the way I see it, it's just that nothing's perfectly flat over the water or the land, so you will have an obstruction. Thanks for watching.